Geely is on a warpath to redefine the affordable family hybrid, and their latest weapon is ready for prime time. This is the 2027 Geely Starray EMI Super Hybrid. It's a sharp, futuristic SUV built on Volvo shared architecture. It packs a massive new battery update for 2027. We are talking about nearly 85 miles of pure electric, driving before the gas engine even thinks about turning on. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're seeing if this high-tech premium cruiser is the ultimate hybrid bargain. The headlines for 2027 are all about the upgraded Inspire extended range variant. Geely stuffed a larger 29.8 kilowatt-hour battery under the floor, exploding the pure EV range up to 136 kilometers. This means your daily commute can be completely gas-free. Combined with its highly efficient hybrid engine, fuel consumption drops to an unbelievable 1.4 liters per 100 kilometers. Total range is a staggering 996 kilometers, almost enough to drive from Sydney to Melbourne on a single tank and charge. Inside, the Starray feels less like a budget compact vehicle and more like a minimalist luxury private space. The dashboard centers around a vertically mounted 13.2-inch infotainment screen running Geely's ultra-smooth Galaxy OS, powered by a snappy Snapdragon 8155 chip. For 2027, Geely raised the luxury bar by adding massaging front seats to the mix, combining them with premium synthetic leather trim, a panoramic sunroof, and an immersive sound system with headrest integrated speakers. Geely also addressed charge times by doubling the maximum DC charging capability to 60 kilowatts. You can now juice up the battery from 30 to 80% in a brief 16 minutes. On the safety front, the Starray rides on the high-strength global intelligent electric architecture. It comes fully armed with a 360-degree camera and a comprehensive Level 2 ADAS suite, featuring automated emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control as standard equipment. The 2027 Geely Starray EMI range starts hitting global showrooms in late May 2026, kicking off at around $37,500 Australian dollars. It brings an unmatched combination of extreme electric range, fast charging, and premium cabin tech for the money. Would you take this over a standard RAV4 hybrid or a Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRX AUTO MOBI, and we'll catch you in the next one.